Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing in with the same Google account used for photos. Once signed in, open Preferences and choose the folders on your PC that contain photos. Select the option to upload photos and videos to Google Photos. This ensures new images go to both Drive and Photos services. Make sure you set upload quality and bandwidth limits. These control storage use and speed, because that affects how fast your images appear across devices. Once done selecting folders, choose whether to sync specific folders or whole My Drive to keep control over what uploads. Then explicitly enable the flag that uploads photos and videos to Google Photos. Without it, Drive will only sync files to Drive. Make sure to pick Upload Quality. Original preserves full resolution. Storage Saver reduces file size to save space. Also, adjust camera upload settings for mobile. Allow cellular upload only if you understand potential data charges, otherwise stick to Wi-Fi. You finish by verifying that images appear at Photos, Google.com, and in your Drive folders. Open both to confirm new uploads. If items are missing, pause and resume Drive for desktop to force a rescan or restart the app. This often resolves temporary stalls. Make sure account permissions are current. Reauthorize Drive for desktop if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the Drive for desktop cache and sign out, then back in when sync freezes. This resets the link between Photos and Drive without losing your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.